Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Honey. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Cancer for the month of November 2025. This will be a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay, so let's see. In this reading we will see the overall energy for you Cancer for the month of November. Key challenges or obstacles, actions or advice, strength and opportunities, and the probable outcome. At the end we will take some guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck, so please do stay till the end. Okay, so let's see. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can reach out to me via email. My email ID is mentioned in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So let's see. Let's see what the cards have for Cancer for the month of November 2025. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Dealing with a lot. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see what the key challenges or obstacles we have for Cancer. Key challenges or obstacles we have for Cancer. Please clarify the Queen of Cups. Please clarify Queen of Cups. Page of Cups. Okay. What is happening? Now, let's see what's the action or advice we have for Cancer. Actions or advice for Cancer. Actions or advice for Cancer. Actions or advice for Cancer. Wow. King of Cups, Queen of Cups, Page of Cups, King of Cups. Dealing with a lot of emotions, is it? Clarify the King of Cups. Wow, okay. Let's see what are the strength and opportunities we have for Cancer. Strength and opportunities for Cancer. Strength and opportunities for Cancer. Probable outcome. One more card for off. Okay. Okay. So the overall energy for you Cancer, I see something, something is coming to an end. Now it is something which is very painful because, end is not always easy, but this end is happening because of some kind of setbacks, some kind of betrayal, some kind of, this energy of being your trust being broken by the people whom you trust the most. Okay, जिन पे आप सबसे ज्यादा विश्वास करते हो उन्हीं से आपका आपका ट्रस्ट, वही आपका ट्रस्ट ब्रेक करेंगे, उन्हीं के some of your relations I see are coming to an end, some of the important things are coming to your end, some of the important circles maybe you may cut yourself off from that circle, and there is some kind of ending which is very painful. Okay, so the overall month for you looks dicey here, and something which you need to deal with to overcome or learn your lesson and move ahead in your life. That is what I'm getting. Okay, so there is this painful energy. Something is coming to an end with a not happily but much more painful than you expect. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's move ahead. The key challenges or obstacles we have for you Cancer, that it's related to emotions. Now when things are not working out how you expect it to be, it becomes more painful, right? So you may be feeling that lack of emotional connect, emotionally आप fulfilling नहीं feel करोगे, emotionally आप disconnected feel करोगे, even if you are having everything in your life, emotionally आप deep down you are not happy, there is lack of happiness. Even if people are coming to you, you may not be able to express your emotions or your love openly. Even if you have pure intentions, you have pure heart, but you are not able to express it properly. Somewhere you are holding it back out of the fear of the outcome. Okay, maybe outcome here can be because of the past experiences. आपका ये fear है, या फिर आपने पहले कोई ऐसी situation से आपने deal किया है जहाँ पर you did not the energies were not reciprocated by the person. उस तरह की एनर्जी है. So that is why you are closed off. Even if people are expressing, somebody is coming towards you with this energy of with this love, you are closed off. You are not putting your guards down. Your guards are too high that I don't want to get hurt. मुझे हर्ट नहीं होना है, तो मैं किसी और को अपने आसपास नहीं आने दे सकता या दे सकती. Okay, irrespective of gender. So there is this energy of keeping yourself closed, but at the same time missing that emotional connect, emotional bond, or that love or that care, concern which you have been getting from a connection which was very important to you. Okay, and somewhere you are not providing that love to yourself. जो आप दूसरों को दे रहे थे, वो आप अपने लिए नहीं कर रहे हो. Okay, that is what I'm getting. So the challenge here is related to your emotions, related to expressing your emotions, giving yourself that love which you were giving to other people, and not taking care of yourself, not taking care of your own happiness, your own well-being, your emotional well-being, and doing things what makes you happy. That is what the challenge is. Okay, now the action or advice here is to be deal with the situation in a most mature way. Okay, थोड़ा सा इमोशनल टर्मोइल है, you have to be stable, you have to be maturely you have to deal with this situation in a more stable way, being how do you say it, कि आपको दूसरों की खुशी के साथ साथ आपको अपनी खुशी का भी ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है. Okay, that is what I am getting. You are capable of handling things, but you have to set boundaries. Okay, अगर आपको कोई चीज पसंद नहीं है, या कोई भी चीज ऐसी है जिससे you are not okay with or you are not comfortable with, and you want to say no, but for some or the other reason you are not able to set that boundary, that is also a problem. Okay, so you need to learn to set boundaries wherever it is required, and be very mindful कि आप किसके साथ अपने ideas, अपनी important things share कर रहे हो, because there is this energy of somebody playing manipulative, being manipulative with you. मैनिपुलेटिव ट्रिक्स आपके साथ कोई यूज कर सकता है टू गेट द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स टू बी रिवील्ड. ओके, आपसे कोई इम्पोर्टेंट चीज रिवील करने के लिए हो सकता है कोई आपसे बोलते हैं ना मीठी मीठी बात करके सारी बातें बोल देते हैं अपन, और फिर दे टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ इट. So that is what it is. So you need to be very mindful कि आप किसके साथ अपनी important चीजें, अपनी personal और confidential चीजें share कर रहे हो. Be very mindful of that, because everybody is not having that pure intention. Okay, so be very careful with that kind of energy, or the people, or the kind of things you are sharing about yourself. Okay, it can be related to your emotions, related to your love life, related to your work, related to your important documents, anything, basically anything which is important to you. Be careful about it. Okay, now the strength and opportunity is, see, you are somewhere you are having everything. Okay, it can be for very few that you are blessed with everything, good health, wealth, good friends, everything, but somewhere you need to ground yourself. You are stuck in whatever has happened in the past, and you are not letting that thing to release. Okay, आप past को release नहीं कर रहे हो, and you are stuck in that, and you are not able to come out of that energy of जो भी पेनफुल है, या जो भी betrayal energy है, या जो भी कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको आगे बढ़ने नहीं दे रहा, आप उसको रिलीज नहीं कर रहे हो. ओके, सो यू आर समवेयर स्टक इन दैट एंड यू आर फीलिंग somewhere you are missing that connection and you are not grounding yourself. आपको ग्राउंड करने की जरूरत है, आपको थोड़ा टाइम नेचर के साथ स्पेंड करने की जरूरत है, अपने फाइनेंसेस पे ध्यान देने की जरूरत है. यू नो, बी केयरफुल, बी फोकस्ड, बी यू नो, जब आप अपने फाइनेंसेस को देख रहे हो तो आपको बहुत सोच समझ के डिसीजंस लेने की जरूरत है. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग. सो फॉर ग्राउंडिंग यू कैन स्पेंड सम टाइम इन नेचर, वॉक barefoot ऑन द ग्रास. ओके, आप आपके घर के आसपास या आपके घर में प्लांट्स हैं, नो, तो थोड़ा सा टाइम वहाँ पे स्पेंड करिए. नेचर के साथ कनेक्ट करने की जरूरत है आपको, so that you will feel grounded. And once you feel grounded, you will connect with yourself, you will connect with instinct, you will connect with your own self, and that will help you to think practically, logically, and also for your own well-being. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. The outcome here is that you need to come out of the victim mindset. Okay, कि things are not in my hand, I can't do anything, you know, situation around me is like that, circumstances are like that, people around me are like that. So you have to come out of that victim mindset. Okay, your hands are free, you are free to decide, you are free to do whatever you want to get that independence you are craving for. Okay, you want to be independent, you want to be free, you want to be managing your finances free, you are you know, you are somewhere waiting for the good news to come in, you are working on your spirituality for some of you, or you want to, but you need to come out of this victim mindset to get this energy. Okay, so everything is in your hand, all you have to do is to set put your own, put down that blindfold you have kept on or tied on your eyes. Okay, so because your hands are free to do that, it's just that it's up to you when you want to release all that restrictions and come out of that energy of being tied or being in a cage, because it's a mental cage being created and you need to break it off. Okay, that's the energy for you, Cancer. Now let's see what's the guiding message we have for you for Cancer. Okay, see, protection guardian, drop your shield. As I was saying, everything is in your mind, everything is in your mind. You are, you have created your own boundaries, you have created your own guards, you have created your own, your own shields to protect yourself, that nobody can hurt me, nobody, I have kept my guards so high that कोई मेरे आसपास आके मुझे हर्ट नहीं कर सकता. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. So you need to put your guards down, drop your shield, because you are already protected. You are protected by the universe and you don't have to be afraid of coming out of your comfort zone or do things what makes you feel good. Okay, so that's the reading for you, Cancer. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.